Hello, welcome to my Gambian kitchen, from our table to yours. We have a brand new series named Cooking My Way Around the World, where I explore different foods around the world. Today we are going to Cameroon and we are cooking Ndolé. Ndolé is one of their famous dishes they cook in Cameroon, so I decided to choose that one. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please share the video, comment below. Let me know what you want me to cook next. So these are the list of ingredients for the ndolé, and I'll also have the list in the description box for you to reference. And I just want to note that the recipe calls for bitter leaves. I don't have bitter leaves, so I'm substituting with spinach like I seen so many people do. And I just want to mention for my Gambian people, it's very similar to plazas, like 95% like plazas without the palm oil. But I'll give my reaction at the end of the video. So these are all the ingredients, and I want to mention that the peanuts needed to be peeled completely, no skin. But the peanuts it was just impossible to take the skin out. That's why you'll see in one of the clips I boiled the peanuts for about 10 minutes. Attempted to take some of the skin out, but overall it just came out so good with some skin on the peanuts. So I put the peanuts and my onions, scallions, habanero pepper, ginger and garlic. Blended everything together, then transferred them to my pot. I added my meat. The meat was cooked already, so I added the meat, put some water so that the peanuts can cook as well. So anytime you're cooking anything with peanuts, let the heat be low because you want it to cook enough so that the peanut taste doesn't overpower the dish. So it's also peanuts you have to be stirring often. So after 10-12 minutes I added my spinach, stirring everything, and I'm gonna also let this cook for another 15 minutes again. So now I'm adding some olive oil. You can add olive oil, peanut oil or vegetable oil. So I opted to do olive oil. Please don't add too much oil at this point. You'll see why. All right, whilst that is simmering, I have my saucepan here, added oil. So this is why I said not to put too much oil in the soup. So I'm gonna just put my sliced onions, cook it for 3 to 5 minutes, not more than 5 minutes at all. The goal is not to cook it completely done, just to give it a little bit color. Then I'll move it to the side and add my shrimps. The same thing, 3 to 5 minutes. When it's done, I'll just go ahead and turn the stove off. So now I'm adding my crayfish. The crayfish, you can add it here, or you can add it towards the end, or add it in the beginning of the cooking, so it doesn't matter. So now I'm also gonna go ahead and add my fish. The smoked fish is all deboned. So right now I'm almost done. My heat is on the lowest, just so it doesn't get burned. Just allow it to simmer. So now I am all done. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer the shrimps and the onions that we just cooked in the frying pan. I'm gonna go ahead and move it to the main pot. You can move it and just mix everything together, but I just decided to have it on top of the soup. That way I can have control over how much shrimp to take, so it's not all blended inside the soup. I just went ahead, peeled them, cut them in half, boiled them for 10 minutes. It was super easy. It was so good. First time ever eating boiled plantain. I was just amazed how good this was. If you ask me if I would ever cook this again, it's a big yes. I'll definitely cook it again. It was so good. I just want us as a people to be less judgmental about other people's foods. Sometimes it's just good to try it before being judgmental. I was pleasantly surprised. It was so good. I had to try it with some rice as well. Let me know which country do you want me to explore, because this year my goal is to explore different foods, and this is the beginning. This is episode 1, Cameroon. So let me know which is gonna be number 2. And I'm just so happy that I tried this. I'm not saying that this is the best way to cook it, but I've done extensive research. This is what I came up with. Please, if it's not even Ndolé, try another country. Explore another country through food. Expand your palate. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed this Ndolé. After the plantains, I moved to the rice. Everything was gone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.